I'm being asked to find the value of 5x when x is equal to 7. The first thing I need to do is remember that there's an invisible time sign here because 5x really means 5 times x. So I've got 5 times x and x is 7. Now 5 times 7 is 35, so the value of 5x is 35. In this one, I want to find the value of 3x when x is minus 5. Again, we've got an invisible times sign, so I've got 3 times x. Now this time, x is a negative number. Negative numbers are a bit special, so we put them in brackets. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. So the value of 3x when x is minus 5 is minus 15. Here are some questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. This time, I want to find the value of x squared when x equals 4. I need to remember that squaring a number means I'm multiplying it by itself. So x squared is actually x times x. Remember, x is 4, so I've got 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 is 16. Again, I want to do x squared, but this time x is a negative number. Remember, x squared means x times x. So I've got minus 3 times minus 3. Now minus 3 times minus 3 gives me 9. Here are some for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. I hope you realised that on this last one, you need to say 2 times 2 is 4, and we've got two numbers after the point, so the answer is 0.04. Now we come to a slightly more complicated question. To help us do this one, we need to use BODMAS. Remember, in this we have an invisible time sign here. So we've got 2 plus 4 times x, and x is 5. Now we use BODMAS to help us with this. There aren't any brackets, other things, or divisions, but there is a multiplication. That's the 4 times 5, and that is 20. So this is 2 plus 20, and 2 plus 20 is 22. In the same way for this one, we've got an invisible time sign here and an invisible time sign here. So we've got 3 times x squared, and x is 4, so that's 4 squared, plus 2 times y, and y is minus 3. So now we refer to BODMAS again. Brackets come first, but these brackets are just keeping the minus locked in with the 3. There's nothing actually to do in here. Other, that's things like squares and square roots, and we've got one of those. The 4 squared is 16. So we've got 3 times 16 plus 2 times the minus 3. There's no divisions, but there are 2 multiplications. 3 times 16 and 2 times minus 3. 3 times 16 is 48, and 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. Now we have 48 plus minus 6. Whenever we have a plus and a minus together like this, we can replace them with a minus. So we have 48 minus 6, and this is 42. Here are some for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. Here's another question for you to try doing with a calculator. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Now, even though you're allowed a calculator for this one, you should still do some of the working out. Remember, there's an invisible times sign here and here. So we've got 2 times minus 4.5 plus 3 times minus 4.5 squared. When you're using a calculator, the brackets are absolutely essential so that you get the right answer. I can now type this into my calculator exactly as it appears here, and I get the answer 51.75. It's interesting to note that if you miss the brackets out, your calculator will actually give you the wrong answer. Here's an exam-style question for you to try now. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Here's the answer. Here are 2 more questions for you. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Here's your final question. Press pause and have a go at this one. When you're ready, press play. Here's the answer.